Companies have stopped hiring juniors. Look, the craft didn't disappear. AI does not generate architecture. Let's be honest about something first. A Microsoft engineer just admitted something that should rattle every developer who has been costing. Scott Hanselman, VP at Microsoft and GitHub, 30 years in the tech industry. He looked at AI panic, the vibe coding, the ChatGPT wrote my whole app posts, the DOM scrolling, and he said 4 words nobody is talking about. AI does not generate architecture. And then he said something worse. Companies have stopped hiring juniors. The pipeline is drying up. In 5 to 10 years, his words, not mine, there will not be enough senior engineers. The profession could actually collapse. But here is what almost everyone missed. While people are panicking about whether AI can write a React component, Hanselman drew a line in the sand. And that line is exactly where you, the mid-career engineer with 5, 10, 15 years of experience, become the most valuable person in the room. Look, the craft didn't disappear, it moved up. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly where it went and how to follow it before the window closes. Let's be honest about something first. The fear is everywhere right now. Every developer I talk to is asking the same question. Am I going to be replaced? And I get it. When you see AI writing functions faster than you can type, when you watch vibe coding demos where someone builds an entire app by talking to a machine, it's hard not to feel like the ground is shifting under your feet. But here is what nobody tells you. We have been here before, multiple times. In the 1990s, outsourcing was going to kill software engineering. Companies were shipping entire code bases overseas. Developers panicked. The profession was doomed. It wasn't. The craft moved up. In 2000s, offshoring 2.0 was the threat. Bigger, faster, cheaper. Everyone said domestic developers were finished. They were not. The craft moved up again. In 2012, no-code and low-code platform were supposed to make developers obsolete. Anyone can build an app now. Sounds familiar? What actually happened? Developers' salaries hit all-time highs. Demands exploded because every time the bottom of the skill ladder gets automated, the top becomes more valuable. I call this the fourth decade of panic. And every single panic followed the same pattern. The craft didn't die. It just moved to a higher level of abstraction. The engineers who followed it upward, they won. The ones who clung to the old layer, they become replaceable. AI is just the fourth wave, but this time the stakes are different because the timeline is compressed. So what did Hanselman actually mean when he said AI doesn't generate architecture? He wasn't dismissing AI. Look, he wasn't some old-school engineer refusing to adapt. He was being precise. AI can write a function. It can generate a class, well, a lot of them. It can build a component faster than any human. That is a junior-level execution. And yeah, it's really good at it. But architecture, the decisions that determine whether a system survives 5 years or collapses in 18 months under its own weight, the trade-offs between scalability and simplicity, between speed and maintainability, that is not code generation. That is judgment, that is experience, that is understanding what happened when 50,000 people hit your API at the same time and one database query wasn't indexed properly. Look, AI can't do that. Hanselman was explicit about this. And there is a second problem he raised that is even more dangerous if you don't understand it. The Sycophant problem. Look, AI models by design want to please you. They tell you what you want to hear. Ask ChatGPT, is this architecture is good? And it will find reasons to say yes, even when you just built a house of cards. This is why senior engineers become more valuable, not less. The AI can write the function, but you decide whether that function belongs in the system at all. The AI can suggest a solution, but you recognize that the solution solves the wrong problem. The AI can generate code at a lightning speed. You are the one who knows which code should never be written. Hanselman put it bluntly. The thinking is still on us. And that is the opportunity most developers are slipping through. Look guys, here where it gets strategic. Hanselman don't just say AI can't architect. He pointed to a structural problem in the industry that almost nobody is talking about. Companies have stopped hiring junior developers. Why would they? When AI can generate boilerplate code, entry-level tickets, and basic CRUD operations, the exact work juniors used to cut their teeth on, the business case for hiring them evaporates. But here is the catch. If you don't hire juniors, you don't grow seniors. You just can't. The pipeline breaks. 5 years, 10 years. That is when the senior engineers who are carrying the industry right now start retiring, going into management, burning out, or just moving on, and there is nobody behind them. And he called it potential collapse of the profession. Now, I'm not here to sell you doom. I'm here to show you leverage, because when supply of something critical drops and demand keeps rising, the people who have that thing become extremely expensive. And you, right now, with your 5, 10, 15 years of experience, you are standing at the beginning of a supply and demand flip that will make senior engineers the single most fought over resource in tech. The question isn't, will AI replace me? The question is, am I positioning myself to be the bottleneck that companies compete for? By the way, I built the exact roadmap with my Freedom Stack framework on how to be competitive in this industry. It's called 90-Day Escape Plan for software engineers. I'm following the exact roadmap right now, and if you are interested, it's completely free to download. The link in the description of this video. Look guys, here is the honest truth. The window is open right now. Hanselman is a Microsoft VP, not some YouTuber chasing clicks. And he is telling you the pipeline is breaking. The senior shortage is real. And the engineers who understand what AI actually can do are the ones who will own the next decade. The craft didn't disappear. It just moved. And now you know where. If this video gave you a new way to think about AI, hit subscribe. More of this is coming, and I'm genuinely curious. Drop a comment. What is the one thing about AI that actually keeps you up at night as a developer? I read every one of those. Also, if you like this video, I'm sure you will enjoy this one. See you there.